If your NVIDIA Shield remote suddenly stops responding, don't panic, because most issues are easy to fix with a few quick checks. Start by making sure your Shield TV is powered on and replace the CR2032 battery in the remote, since a weak battery is the most common cause. To do this, press the small release divot on the back of the remote and slide out the battery tray. Next, restart your Shield by unplugging it from power for about 10 to 60 seconds, then plugging it back in to clear temporary glitches. Since the remote connects over Bluetooth, go into your Shield settings and toggle Bluetooth off and back on. Then, try repairing the remote by holding the home button for about 10 seconds or navigating to accessories and settings. You can also reset the remote itself by removing the battery for a few minutes, then reinserting it, or by holding the home and center buttons while putting the battery back in until you hear a beep. If the remote still won't work, check that your NVIDIA Shield TV software is fully updated, as outdated firmware can cause connection issues. While troubleshooting, you can control the Shield using the NVIDIA Shield TV mobile app or by plugging in a USB keyboard or mouse. If none of these steps solve the problem, a factory reset or contacting NVIDIA support may be necessary, and if you replace the remote, make sure it's an official NVIDIA model for full compatibility.